How to log in to sell credit card account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your sell credit card account. For that, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar you need to type sell credit card login. Once you have entered this keyword, now you will reach to this page where you will find different links. Here you need to select this link sell credit card login or apply with the link city.com. Once you have found this link, click on it to open it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Sell Credit Card. In this page, you will see the login interface at the left side. Here you will need to enter your user ID and password in order to log in to your Sell Credit Card account. In case if you haven't registered your card yet, you may also click on this register your card option at the very bottom, and from there you need to follow the prompts to register your card. Now if you have already done that, now let's sign into your account. In this first box you need to enter your user ID. Make sure to enter it correctly. Also, if you want your username to be remembered for the future logins, you may click on this little square ahead of this option. And now in the second box, enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here in order to access your account. In case if you forgot your user ID or password, you can retrieve or reset them by clicking on this retrieve user ID or reset password option at the bottom. And from there you need to follow the instructions given to you to reset them. Now after entering all the details correctly, click on this sign in button and then you will be able to log in to your Sell Credit Card account. After that, you will be able to access your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Sell Credit Card account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.